Ang liliit mo.
Okay, can I just say something crazy?
I love crazy.
All my life has been a series of doors in my face. And then suddenly I bump into you.
I was thinking the same thing. Cause I've been searching my whole life to find my own place. And maybe it's the garden talking or the chocolate fondue.
But with you,
I found my
I see your face. And it's nothing like I've ever known before. Love's an open door. Love's an open door. Love's an open door. With you, love's an open door.
Okay na, okay na. Ha? Okay na. Tapos na. Okay na, okay na. Panog ka na lang. Ha?
I mean, it's crazy. We finish each other. That's what I was gonna say.
I never met someone who thinks so much like me. Chicks, get together. Elemental synchrotization. Can't have but one explanation.
You
And I
were
just meant to be. Say goodbye
to the pain of the past.
We don't have to feel it anymore.
Love is an open door. Love is an open door.
Life can be so much more with you.
Love's an open door. Can I say something crazy? Will you marry me?
Can I say something even crazier? Yes!